science is not a democracy. You only have to have one vote with the correct information, and everyone else is wrong.
Today we gather together to welcome the Nobel Prize winner, Professor Barry Marshall, to tell the young student about his experience.
So if you read the biography of Alfred Nobel, it tells you that his whole life he always had some kind of stomach problem. Alfred Nobel probably had Helicobacter.
It's a really great experience for us to meet Professor Marshall face to face and ask questions and listen to his talk about how he have this kind of discovery and also get the Nobel Prize.
A lot of the things we've heard from Professor Marshall today are really around the simplicity of his basic discovery in the first place and the difficulty he had in challenging the current dogma to get that accepted.
He talked about we didn't know that thing not because of our ignorance, just because the illusion of that knowledge.
So I said, we think these bacteria might be causing ulcers. All the professors, gastroenterologists, they said, we don't need to know about that. We already have lots of different causes. We don't need any new ones. But we said, no, this bacteria is 95%. All those other ones were wrong. So that is the illusion of knowledge.
From his talk, I've learned that in our future research, we should more focus on the data, how to get the coherent data, the whole story, to convince other people.
If it's an unusual kind of a research project, nobody else is interested in that. So in a very short time, a young person can be the world expert.
We should not always believe the authority, what the authority says. We should have our own ideas.
Everybody says bacteria cannot live in the stomach. I will prove that everybody is wrong.
You have to first find the question that's really important and try to solve this problem.
Try to be original. Try to do something you like. And the big discoveries, they come from curiosity-driven research.
NPRI program brings young students and researchers in close contact.
The students like to connect with the famous scientists and face to face.
He has very high passion about science. That's the reason he can drink the culture of the HP. I don't think so many people can do that.
This program brings this scientific giant to ordinary walks of life, especially students, they are just beginning.
It will really inspire us and motivate our passion on academic research.
So when your experiment doesn't work, you have to find out why it didn't work, because that might be the secret clue into the new discovery. So in some ways, failed experiments, very, very useful.
Professor Barry Marshall, I said he was a rock star. He is a pioneer. He is very brave.
I must say, Dr. Marshall is really charming.
Thank you.